How to install Zhangi app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Zhangi app on Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Zhangi app. And now here on the search result you can see the option labeled as Zhangi Private Messenger, which can be seen in the second from the list. So just tap on that. And now here on the new page you can see the option labeled as Install. So just tap on that. And after that the installation process will begin. Now you just have to wait for some time for the installation to complete, and once that's done you can simply tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can install the Zhangi app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.